I'm just leaving Lingham now on a should be quite easy hike to Hongon. I've been assured by the guest house master here that there's a similar guest house in Hongon, so I'm going to take my rest day there, I think. It's a completely different landscape. You can see rolling hills rather than mountains, and there's villages dotted along this landscape. Completely different Nepal to the couple of days previous. Everything's well built. I was following a jeep track which is higher up the hill there. Looked like it was pretty brand new. They were just building it. There was a digger working on it, but all these villages, you can see by the blue roofs there, they're corrugated metal roofs rather than wood, so they're a lot more developed than what I've been used to in the last few days. But yeah, it should be an easy hike, 5 hours to Hongon, and then I can relax for a whole day, and my feet need a day to recover, I think, so that's going to be good. Since I left Lingham and the little town of Chepwa, which is next to it, the trail has been immaculately well prepared. There was a little scary bit where it got a bit high with a big drop to the side, but the trail was nice and wide, so it was fine. And now we come to this. Now, I believe the idea is that we kind of scramble down here across these rocks and up there, the path. But I really don't want to fall in there, because that wouldn't be very nice. Well, here goes. Well, I survived. That was only really possible by putting my whole weight on these two vines that someone's kind of helpfully attached there. Hope there's not too many more places like this today. Just arrived in Hongon. The last hour of the trail was an absolute nightmare. So hot and humid, and I took the wrong turn and ended up sort of bushwhacking up this 45-degree slope to try and find the trail again for about half an hour. That was interesting. But I'm in Hongon now, and I found this hotel that the guy told me about, and it's pretty much locked up so nobody here. So I'm just sort of sat outside, hoping that somebody's going to come and open up and let me in. Either that, or I'm going to go having to find another room. But it looks very much like Chamtang here. So yeah, we'll see what happens.